Hey everyone, today we're diving into the top 5 best mechanical keyboards on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you're a gamer, a productivity freak, or a mechanical keyboard enthusiast, these picks offer hot-swappable switches, wireless connectivity, RGB lighting, and even smart TFT screens. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get straight into the countdown. Number 1. Akko MU01 Mountain Seclusion Wooden Mechanical Keyboard. First up is a keyboard that's not just a tool, it's a piece of art. The Akko MU01 Mountain Seclusion features a wooden design, hot-swappable switches, and a gasket mount structure for a soft, premium typing experience. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and USB Type-C wired modes, making it perfect for work or play on desktop or mobile. Pros: beautiful natural wood design, hot-swappable mechanical switches, tri-mode connectivity, BT 5.0, 2.4G USB-C, excellent acoustics from gasket mount. For those who want style plus premium typing, the MU01 is a luxurious and high-performing keyboard. Number 2. AULA F108 Pro, full-size with TFT Smart Display. Next is the AULA F108 Pro, a full-sized keyboard with an edge. It features a TFT Smart Display and full Bluetooth wireless support. The display lets you customize settings, monitor real-time stats, or show system info. It's built with hot-swappable switches, macro functionality, and a gasket mount for smoother keystrokes. Pros: smart TFT screen with macro control, full-size layout with numpad, Bluetooth plus USB wired connectivity, gasket mount plus RGB backlighting. A feature-rich gaming and productivity keyboard that combines visual style and tech versatility. Number 3. RK Royal KLUDGE M87 Gasket plus wireless plus TFT display. Third is the RK M87 Gasket keyboard, a tankless layout built for comfort and performance. It includes a TFT color screen, Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and USB-C wired modes. It's also hot-swappable, comes with RGB lighting, and has a solid gasket mount that reduces typing fatigue and sounds amazing. Pros: compact TKL 87 key layout, wireless plus wired tri-mode, TFT screen for display control or animation, hot-swappable for easy switch replacement, gasket for quieter typing. An all-around compact, stylish keyboard with modern features that strike the right balance between gaming and daily work. Number 4. AULA F87 Pro Tri-Mode RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Up next is another AULA gem, the F87 Pro, a tri-mode wireless mechanical keyboard that's ready for battle. With hot-swappable keys, a compact 87-key layout, and a gasket mount, this board delivers smooth feedback, dynamic RGB lighting, and stable connection over Bluetooth, 2.4G, or wired. Pros: tri-mode, BT, 2.4G, USB. TKL layout saves space. Gasket structure for premium feel. Bright, customizable RGB lighting. If you want a reliable wireless gaming keyboard with solid performance and aesthetics, this one hits the sweet spot. Number 5. Lofree Flow LITE, sleek, silent, and fully configurable. Last but not least, we have the elegant and minimalist Lofree Flow LITE. Designed for creators and typists, it offers wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4G modes, POM silent switches, and a gasket mount for that deep, thocky sound. It also has backlighting, a volume roller, and full key customization options. Pros: super quiet POM switches, lightweight and portable, volume roller plus backlighting, tri-mode connectivity, sleek design with low-profile keys. A must-have for typists, remote workers, or students who want silent elegance and pro-level customization. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best mechanical keyboards on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you're looking for a smart display, wooden artisan design, or a silent low-profile experience, these keyboards blend functionality, style, and flexibility. Quick recap: best premium build, Akko MU01 Wooden. Best with smart screen, AULA F108 Pro. Best compact performer, RKM87 with TFT. Best for gaming setup, AULA F87 Pro. Best for quiet typing, Lofree Flow LITE. Which one fits your desk setup best? Let us know in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to Must Have Gadgets, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next tech roundup. Thanks for watching, and type you in the next one.